going on? I don't know who I am. I'm meant to be travelling. I'm meant to be a backpacker.
All that?
Thank you. Yeah. That's right. Let's get underdressed. Nice welcome drink. Iced tea. Oh, it is so like nice. It's really nice.
Actually, it's a tighter.
What is it? It's really nice. Lemongrass tea. Yeah. That's what it said, lemongrass. Really nice. I'll put my pants away now. Oh, hi! Hi! Welcome in! Thank you very much. Ooh. So, this is where we're staying at the Marriott. I'm going to leave it down below because I don't know how to say it. Do you know how to say it?
Surawongse.
The cab driver said it completely differently though, so we're saying something and he had no idea what we were talking about. But we are in the 2-room suite at the Bangkok Marriott Surawongse. So we're just going to take you on a little tour of where we're living for the next 4 days. If you're watching the videos, we are backpacking, but it's my birthday next week. I'm turning 28, don't tell anybody. So my dad kindly treated us to our stay in Bangkok. So
Woohoo! Go Simon!
So very spoiled, I know, but as on this channel a lot I've done like luxury hotel room tours, it would be completely wrong to miss this one out just because my videos are about backpacking at the moment. So we're kind of alternative backpackers.
We're very bougie backpackers.
We are doing a lot of like hotel stays as well as hostel stays.
We're older.
Cheap.
We
are older and it's cheap to stay in.
Yeah.
Hotels as well as hostels in Southeast Asia, and we've saved a lot of money for this trip. We don't need to justify it.
No.
Let's show you around. Oh, and if you're new here, hey, I'm Ellen. Holding the camera is Emily, and we're backpacking Southeast Asia. We make travel videos. Let's get on with the tour, shall we? So this is our living area. We have, I'm going to leave down below a link to the hotel obviously and how much this suite is per night, because I actually currently have no idea. We were booked into the deluxe double and we were upgraded. So yeah, this is the living area, TV, this is our art.
Yeah, because we just casually have art.
We have art. This is the
I didn't know
view.
how to open the curtain.
This is the view. So we are on the 6th floor.
6th floor.
We're on the 6th floor.
And it goes up and up and up. We'll show you the, we're going to go to the rooftop in a minute.
Yeah, so there is a pool on the rooftop, which is the 18th floor, so we're actually
dark.
Only halfway up, so. We have a table. So this room probably sleeps quite a few people, like maybe like, technically I guess 4 people.
4 people, yeah.
But you could have obviously more sleep in here.
Yeah, you could have one. We've just kind of counted all the places that you could sleep.
And the guy who got our bags up was like, you can have a party! We're like, thanks, great advice, dude.
Okay, thanks.
We're not going to have a party, by the way. We're going to chill out.
Yeah, there's a deposit on this place.
So then you also have a kitchen area, which has a dishwasher, a washing machine.
I mean, a dishwasher and washing machine that don't look like they've ever been used.
Oh, they don't really, do they? We do want to use this though, so I'm going to maybe ask the girls if they've got any washing powder for that.
Yeah.
And then we've got like a hob and cooker, microwave and all that stuff as well.
Lovely
thing.
thing.
I don't think we'll be using.
Little mini bar.
But it is gorgeous.
But it's
water's complimentary, everything else isn't. In the fridge we do have Chang's, and I never had to say that beer name, Asai?
I don't
know. Asai and Chang's. And they're not actually too crazy. I mean, they're crazy for the little ones, but they're not as bad as I thought they would be. Then let's show you the bedrooms. So yeah, like I said, we're in the 2-bedroom. And we have 2 bathrooms, so
we'll show you the bathroom.
Is the smaller bathroom.
Can you imagine?
It's got like a shower here.
Smaller.
Shower here.
Shower, very nice shower.
And then we've got all our like little products. Got like hand wash and body lotion, more water. We have kind of got settled a little bit here.
I just wanna, it smells really, really good. It's not gonna wanna focus at all.
I'll do like,
but it smells.
Like, go in the background of like what the room looks like and stuff.
There I am. Let's go.
And then here is the double room, so this is where your kids could sleep.
I think this was how the room we were meant to be in.
No, it was 2 doubles.
Oh, 2.
Yeah. So 2 single beds, again great view, desk, TV, somewhere to put your bag, and a wardrobe that we're using for like Emily's stuff. She's
my stuff,
basically.
Yeah.
Because
nobody needs 2 rooms for 2 people.
We have like discussed where we're going to sleep. We think we're just going to sleep together because we've gotten
so used to it. I don't want to be that far away.
No. And then this is the master bedroom. So you've got the like super big double bed, TV, again with a view, sofa which is massive, and then you've got
just stupidly big.
Like stupidly big. And then you've got the main bathroom that is the big bathroom. Again, we've settled into this. And this has a bath and shower in it. So it's kind of like wet room style.
Yeah.
Bath, shower.
And I mean, if one of us is having a bath,
still watch the TV.
Could still watch the TV. But there is a little blind. There is a little blind.
Privacy. And then we have like our little cupboard area, like walk-in wardrobe.
It's a walk-in wardrobe.
Emily's clothes here, Ellen's clothes here, and then I put my bag like here out of the way as well.
Yeah.
So basically that's the room tour.
The suite.
The suite.
Sweet.
And we'll take you up to the pool because that's where we're going to go up and check out, and then we're going to go to MBK and do some shopping. Woohoo! Let's go to MBK. What are you reading?
Oh, do you fill that out if you want something brought to your room?
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
So let's do that as well. Oh, so we've got 1 floor left to go. We've just been arguing over where we're going. We've decided we're checking out the pool. Then we're gonna see if our...
You don't understand, how is floor 18 the pool when it's supposed to be a rooftop pool?
Well, I think it is a rooftop pool, it's just... Yeah. Okay, so that's where the pool is, but I didn't want to film because it was too busy. But when we come back up, I'll do some secret filming on my phone.
Monday.
Right to take.
Yeah, thank you. I'll take hers.
Thank you so much.
So we switched to iPhone because the GoPro refused to work, and the other camera's dead now. But I wanted to get some pool footage for you. I brought my phone in the pool. It isn't scary. I've never put my phone in the pool before. We've got beers down the pool, and the view. And it's infinity style pooling as well, so you can't go too wrong, can you? Don't need to go anywhere. Yeah. I know.